I want to focus really only on the rainfall because we've got a lot going on. Passover begins Wednesday evening. Then we have Good Friday all through the weekend. I know there's outdoor Easter activities. Rain chances are going to be highest Thursday morning and then again Saturday night into Sunday morning. I do want to stress Easter is not a washout, but it does look like the morning is going to be cloudy, wet, and breezy. Today, we've got mostly quiet conditions, but Future Track is going to show as a front drapes its way through the state. We'll start to see rain chances increasing. Tomorrow, we'll begin by noticing by 10 a.m. a few light showers possible. Nothing too impactful. In fact, it's just beneficial rainfall. Otherwise, mainly just warm and humid. Thursday starts off with a line of thunderstorms. Right now, it looks like those storms slowing down just a tad, but it could come through as early as Thursday morning. This shows the line reaching our far northwest counties by 9 a.m., pushing into the Houston area by lunchtime. So plan for a bit of extra time for driving once we get into Thursday morning. I do think by the afternoon, things will be clearing out, but not for long. Friday, once again, some light sprinkles possible, similar to what we're forecasting on Wednesday there. But then as we gear up towards the big Easter weekend, a stronger front moves in. And the fact that cold front bringing with it a flash flood risk to the entire Texas triangle, that flood risk in place from Saturday through 7 a.m. on Easter morning. Let's talk about that timeline. This is actually a different computer model than we showed you earlier. You can see those storms lining up to our northwest and advancing to the southeast. By 3 o'clock on Saturday, this has heavy rainfall from Dallas to Austin and then pushing into the Houston area overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning. That means 9 a.m. on Easter, we're likely still going to be having showers and thunderstorms, but conditions could clear out by the afternoon. Now, even if the rain pushes out, I do want to stress, I'm still expecting it to be cloudy, breezy, and wet. But here's a look at that forecast. You'll notice rain chances really going to be Saturday night, Sunday morning. Otherwise, look at that huge temperature drop into Sunday, and those cooler temperatures, those are going to be staying with us as we head into next week. But if you're planning out your Easter, I would definitely have an indoor option there. It looks like face painting probably not going to be a good idea. But the good thing is Easter Bunny can also hide some eggs inside.
True, and things can still change between now and Sunday.
Absolutely, and that's why we'll continue to update that forecast every single day.
We know you will. Caroline, thank you.